Graces, blessings, and of course, a grace from heaven will shine on us. A blessed morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. From Black Nick Vlogs 2020. Yun. So, I'm so happy today, guys, dahil yun, successful ang naging operation ko. Very, very successful. Though na meron pa akong pain. But look, I'm walking right now. So, yan. Na okay lang. And then, as usual, alam nyo naman pag na OFW tayo is kahit masakit tayo, we have to work on. Yun. And of course, one time, they specialize I have is sabi nila I have to operated from my colon, and of course yung isa is hindi siya pumayag na kasi walang kasiguraduhan if I'm gonna operated from my back, kasi yung is from here dito sa batok, yung bones natin from there up to dito sa ating sa may pinakababa is namamagla talaga siya. That's why na I have a lot of pains, no? So ayaw na paoperahan kasi, pero yung isa kasi hindi ko na natitiis yung pain. So meron talaga mga doctors na ganon. So mayroong mga talagang hindi naniwala through therapies, meron din yes. So yung yung isang doon is ayaw daw. And kasi ang maging results nito is they are not sure, no? Sabi na natin maging result is just only 50-50, or sabi na natin minsan 80% na maging hindi siya okay, for 20% siya maging okay, kasi this spiral cords natin is napakadelikado din siya. So yun, okay na pero hindi from the top till sa pinaka down niya. So yun, maga talaga siya. That's why lagi akong dumadaing sa sakit, guys. So yun, so they suggested na kailangan ko mag more therapy. So mahaba-habang therapy pa rin ang gagawin ko, kasi kailangan nila, gusto na nilang sa akin na I have to start work, no? I have to start my work, and then kailangan ko na talagang mag-rest over. So hindi naman po pwede mangyari na mag-rest forever, no? Kasi of course may anak din ako, being a single mom, I have to send my daughter in school, diba? So kaya ko pa naman, sabi ko. So yun, ang gusto talaga nila na nila yung trabaho ko, no? Mayroon naman matatanggap, pero hindi talaga siya hindi siya sapat, no? Hindi siya sapat sa school, sa magiging expenses, hindi siya sapat. Yun ang doon. Kung mag-rest ako ever, what we're going to do in our life, diba? Mahirap siya. So kailangan talaga tiisin ko talaga, guys, kasi wala ganon. So I'm here. Nung the day na Sunday night, so I was admitted kasi kailangan ko operation for at 1 AM na madaling araw. So yun, but successful, though nandun pa rin yung pains. The pain's still here, but look, I am here right now, diba? So yun lang. So what I'm gonna say is, kung ano mga nangyayari sa atin or whatever, we were not going to stop on that, no? We have to move on. We have to move on and think positive, and of course we have to abide in God's hand. Ganun lang yung gagawin natin ever, kasi we cannot go on forward, and we cannot struggle, no? We cannot do on our struggles and perseverance on the hindrances that we are passing by, kung we are not abiding and trusting in God's hand. Let's let's put our trust and love and of course patience natin on sa lahat ng mga trials that we are passing. Yun lang. Before I was crying, no, I was crying and saying, bakit ako pa, diba? So kumbaga ba, ang dami-dami bakit I have to pass, no? Kailangan ko itong mangyayari sa akin. Bakit ganito, di ba? So, ganun talaga. The things is, hindi natin mararanasan yung mga bagay na sa atin, na ito yung this is the pagsubok sa ating buhay, so that we will know how we strong us, no? And of course, that's it. So, ang hirap talaga ng buhay natin as in OFW, kasi ayan, you have to put on yourself, you have to bring yourself in the hospital alone. Angeline cannot go with me kasi Angeline has school, and of course she can't because she's a minor, no, she's only 12 years old and nobody permitted her to enter in the operating room or something. So I was alone there, and thank you so much sa aking mga lovable sa aking mga lovable months in life, yung mga kaibigan ko. So they came here in Madrid that time, and then kauwi lang nila, kababalik lang nila after the operation is yan. Uwi na rin sila nung sa bahay na ko. And of course now I am working, though pabagal-bagal lang kasi marami akong naiwang work, no, na kailangan tapusin, but little. So ganun talaga, just to continue my task. Ganun lang. Di ba? Kung sa Pilipinas tayo nagkakasakit o whatever, nung operahan ka, is kailangan talaga you have to, no, there's somebody with you, bring in the hospital, taking care of you, but here you're alone, di ba? Kailangan talaga natin as in OFW is talagang tibayan lang yan, tibayan ng loob. Tapos yun, and never in my life that yun lang, alam mo yung dumadaing ako sa family ko, and of course with my own family here, they don't know that I was operated. Yun, makikita lang nila to sa vlog ko. So yun lang. And then this coming of, and thank you so much kasi nag-negative na ako talaga. So how many times that I did it, I'm done with my therapy, with my analysis na sa mga analytics ko sa cancer, sa born of cancer is negative na ako. So totally tawag dyan, negative na talaga ako. Yan lang. So how about the heart enlargement? A little bit nagiging okay na siya, pero ito lang yung sa aking talaga sa spiral is sobra. Itong talagang nahirap ako till now. And of course, I'm gonna take this opportunity for thanking my mga anakis, sa aking mga blockers, sa mga kasama ko, sa mga kaibigan ko, diba, for giving this gift for me. This is a hardware. Thank you so much for giving me this wonderful earring. Yan, diba? So, thank you so much. And yan, na maganda siya. So I was used to wear on the loop earrings, which is yung bilog na earrings, yung yung used to wear on, no? So but now I'm wearing this. I unexpected, maganda pala siya. So I love it, and of course thank you so much. So they gifted me this, and of course yung isa is meron siyang dalawang binigyan nila sa akin, and of course yung isa is meron siyang yung Tiffany. Maganda siya. Pag ako lang kasi I cannot buy this. Yun, mababait lang talaga yung aking mga friends ever. Yun, and yun. And diba? So of course thank you pala sa sa aking eyelashes. Ay talaga hindi ko ma-expect, maganda pala siya. Anyway, yun lang yung pampering ko sa sarili ko, guys. Pampering ko sa sarili ko is yun, to buy some clothes, no? Lalo na pagka and of course, wala naman akong arte, something sa mukha, whatever. So wala naman, habon-habon lang yun. So that's it. So yun lang, guys. So much ako, the past is very malungkot, I'm sadly, kasi maraming mga negatives na dumating sa akin, lalo na palapit noon yung operation ko. So nandoon yung aking unique moments, kasi of course natatakot din ako what will be the result. And of course, thank you so much sa taas, kasi here I'm okay. Ay, pero yung pains, guys, still here yung pains. Yeah. Kailangan ko talaga mag-work kasi wala gusto ko rin magpahinga, kasi sometimes talagang I almost giving up too, kasi kahit alam mo yung makikita, hindi naman makikita sa sa mukha ko na I'm sick, no? Pero kailangan talaga natin so we have to move forward, we have to move on, we have to accept what we're passing by. Yun lang yun. So that's it. Mahirap the life I am passing right now. Okay lang. So maraming pinagdaanan daw na sinasabi ko sa sarili ko since then. Ganito na, puro na pagsubok ang pinagdadaanan. And of course, the last thing is na pinagdadaanan ko now is ito. My health. Pero go lang. Go. Diba? So that's it. So in here, so kagagaling ko lang kasi sa tinanggal yung niya, yung mga stitch niya. So yun, okay lang. And of course, I have also a cream na binigay sa akin na na hindi mag-mark. So yung dito sa hand ko is still marking here. May rin sila dito na kinuha na something just to take analysis. Ayan. Grabe. So ayan, nabubura na rin siya because of the cream. Yun na nga, pati cream ang mahal din. So yun, ang kakanda nandun, hindi makikita yung mga mo. Pero yung nandito sa mga ko is yung mga tinanggal nila na something there is nakikita yung mga stitching marks na ginamit. So yun lang, guys. Pasensya na, just sa mga nagtatanong, sa mga nag-message, thank you so much. Thank you for having you, and for sa mga concern, and of course, guys, thank you sa mga nag-offer sa akin, nag-message. Thank you so much sa inyong mga prayers. Thank you so much, and heartedly appreciated. And of course, may kaming naman ako this coming month is I have another, they are going to get me something on the back. So hindi ko alam kung na naman gawin. Hopefully na ko na naman to, malalampasan ko na naman to. Yun, and hopefully everything will be good. Thank you, guys. Love.